Alright, so in the previous video I've shown you how you can use control Yoast SEO through the WordPress through Claude Code. So in this video I'm going to show you how we can do it for RankMath SEO. It's actually pretty simple. So I'm just going to head into the prompt that I made. But if you didn't follow the previous video, it's pretty simple. Hey Claude, I want to control functionalities as changing the SEO title and meta description using RankMath SEO. Can you get a plugin where I'm able to access all functionalities of RankMath SEO through you, so you can change specific items per product or article or page. If you haven't set up a connection with WordPress or WooCommerce, just head to the first and second tutorial of this playlist and it will be shown to you right there. I'm just going to hit enter and I'm going to upload the plugin when it's done. Perfect. So after a minute it's done and it has installed the RankMath SEO API Manager zip on my desktop. So I'm going to add the plugin into my WordPress installation. When it's loaded, upload plugin, choose file, drag it in here. And I'm going to activate the plugin. And now I'm going to ask it, can you do a very short SEO audit of the website of what I need to improve? Use Yoast SEO and RankMath SEO, but make it really short and simple. So let's see what it outputs. And just like that, after a couple of seconds, because I for the tutorial intended to just make it a short audit here. So yeah, it just quickly runs through your site. It's all empty SEO. So and you can just tell it here, please fix it. And it's done in a matter of seconds. So yeah, this is how you connect RankMath SEO to your WordPress installation. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and I see you in the next tutorial. Bye.